Yes, back from the dead. Welcome back to the channel. I'm ramping up things around here and always analyzing my content strategy and trying to improve it so we can be more efficient over here. I'm going to be making shorter tutorials to answer some more direct questions that people will have, and then I'll have some longer form videos for designing whole Shopify stores from scratch, creating a whole brand, and then everything that goes around with that. It's more like experiment and for creative inspiration for people to get into e-commerce. And this is more short tutorials basically, and it's just answering questions that I had at one point and then I couldn't find the answers for, and then I'm here giving you the answers because I know someone out there is asking these questions. And if I love Google. Like, I have a question, I look it up. And what was the point here? ADHD. One thing at a time. Today that thing is how to blur a part or your whole video. There are different ways you can apply this method using iMOVIE, and I'm going to show you a couple different methods in the next few videos, or in a couple videos. I'll figure it out, but there are definitely many ways to blur. If you're showing receipts or something like that, documents, and you want to blur a section, you can definitely use some of these methods. We'll do some more blurring. We're just going to get into some more blurring later. Like I said, there are different methods to blurring, and simple video is not like something that's moving across the screen. It's like someone jumping and you're trying to, they just blur a little part of the screen, and like. But for now, hit that subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. Alright. This is a video I'm editing right now that you can see. I have the intro right here, and then I need to fix this because it has a little bit of white showing off on the side. But so I'm just talking over in this recording, and I have my script written right here, and I really don't want it shown, or at least for the like 10 minutes or so this I'm talking for, and people just keep on reading it over and over, and it's not even a script because I'm not even really following it. But I just rather not. I really like the screen look, but I'd rather not them focus on that, but more on my words. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So how do you do that? So basically, you're just going to take a screenshot of this part. Okay, so screenshot. And it's supposed to, because it's so small, to come out blurry. And we'll see how that works. I feel like we're supposed to do something. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do something else. So, it's not cutaway, picture in picture. Quick mistake here, I had forgotten the process, but basically I'm just going to transfer the screenshot into Canva, then pixelate it with the options they have. But you don't need to use Canva. You can use kind of any app that pixelates, or website that would pixelate it. I'm sure there's a lot of options, and then just transfer it back to any editing program that you have. I'm gonna create a Instagram post, whatever, and I'm gonna upload this picture. Oh no, I should have made it, I'm gonna resize it like a video size. just resize. And then we're gonna edit this image once it's done. Is it not gonna let me edit the image? Oh yeah. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go down to pixelate. And we're just gonna, whichever one that works for you. That's kind of cool. So, I feel like it doesn't have to be so crazy. Oops. I don't know, I'd be specific about this, doesn't really matter, but I just want it to be just basically a little bit. I guess that could work, but I am being particular today because I just wanted to give the essence, not focus on it, but still kind of focus on it. And I don't think I can do that. Let's see, pixel. That's good enough, whatever. I don't know if it looks different for you. But okay, here we go. Just gonna download it as a, doesn't really matter if it comes out blurry or not. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, that is it. So we're gonna do this and then picture in picture. Quick edit, dissolve doesn't really play a part because the pixelated picture takes basically takes over the whole screen. But if you don't want it to move, just set all your settings to 0 seconds and then you won't have any problems. And then we're just gonna extend this the whole duration of the clip. And maybe if we can do all of them, great. Oops, overextended it. But yeah, basically, I placed it over the video. I actually might just detach all the audio because this video is taking up a lot of space and I really don't want to download it. So okay, so I'm going to detach the audio and then just basically delete these. No, I don't think I can do it. It needs to have video in it. Fudge. Okay, so that's pretty much what it's gotta be. It has to have a video on it. So that is fine. Whatever. I would have to put some kind of, in my previous videos I just put something like some visuals, but I'd rather not go too dramatic with it, and I can show you guys how I do the visuals too in another little mini quick tutorial. I'm trying to get these little tutorials out there. I know it'll help somebody. I feel like little tutorials solve some questions for some people. I know I have these questions how to do it, and there's really, like, for some editing questions there's not too many answers. I have a lot of little ideas of what I was looking for, and how to do it with just iMOVie. So you could do a lot with iMOVie. Like, don't underestimate it. And having a CANVA membership, you can definitely do a lot. Like, I've done it's a lot. So I really want to come out with these little quick tutorials, and we'll see how people like them. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and just hit that subscribe, help us sister out. Yes, thank you so much again for watching, and I will be uploading this very soon. Kind of was just recording my videos, mute, and then doing a voiceover over them, but now I'm just trying to get used to talking and editing and just doing all that. So it just really kills two birds in one stone. I could just explain instead of like remembering what I did and then adding. I can just add as I go. Yes, it's just a whole process. Everything's a process, right? See, let me show this little video to you so you can see exactly what it looks like. So it's just gonna be the blur over it, and yeah, just me talking. So I'm gonna play the first couple of seconds of the intro ending, and then I'll get into the video. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for disappearing on you guys, all 17 of you or 16 of you. So I really like it, works for me. I'm actually gonna fix this right now. You see on like some parts I need to fix it in my original file, but it goes off, so I don't have to keep editing it for each video that I make. I can just copy and paste it into each video. And yeah, so just I guess adding a couple mini tutorials in here. But yeah, so if you have any ideas, so just have this, and then I am going to just crop it a little bit. Just center it, and then click anywhere else on the screen, and it should be good. It disappeared. Yep, not there anymore. Earlier in this one, it's gone too. Perfect. So yeah, if you're like, see, like I have my intro in just a little file, and then I just copy it to the beginning of each video. You can add it at the end, and then I have my outro right here. So I have to fix it, the file, so I might delete it, but yeah, then I have my outro here. And what I would do, this I still have to include my screen recording, but then this is my outro, and I would just have it right here. It doesn't have any music, so I would just include whatever tracks here until the end. And I'll show more videos on editing. I know a lot of people are interested in like how to video edit, and I think it's really important so people can make quality content. We have quality content out there. So yeah, let's do it. And I'm gonna go post this right now. I might just edit this right now and just get it posted. Okay, thank you for watching.